Give it to me like.
Are you tired of dealing with pesky tech problems on your Samsung TV? Don't worry, we've got you covered with our Quick Help Guide series on Samsung TV troubleshooting. In this video, we'll show you how to fix the no sound issue on your Samsung TV. Let's get started. The first step to fixing the no sound issue is to check if your TV is muted or if the volume is set too low. If that's not the problem, it's time to check the audio settings. Make sure that the audio settings, such as speakers and sound mode, are correctly configured. You should also ensure that all audio cables are securely connected. If the issue persists, try different devices or content to identify the problem. You should also check connections and settings for external speakers like sound bars or home theater systems. And if all else fails, perform a factory reset. By following these easy steps, you can get your TV's sound back on track. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Please note that the information provided in these videos is based on the general Samsung TV manuals and is not affiliated with or endorsed by Samsung. Always consult your specific model's user manual or contact Samsung support for the most accurate information and assistance.